How to stop spam calls on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can stop spam calls on Android. There are different methods, so I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest way. Now there is a built-in feature in your Android device. So what you have to do is you need to go to your call logs. After that, you can see in the upper right hand side corner there's a three-dot icon. Click on it. As soon as you've done that, click on the settings button from the drop-down menu. After that, you'll be taken to the settings page. You can see right on top there is assistive. So under it there is an option as call ID and spam. Click on it. Next page, you'll be able to see by default your caller ID spam is currently enabled, and what you'll need to do is you also need to toggle the switch or enable filter spam call. After that, you'll be able to stop spam calls on Android. Apart from that, if this is not working or if you're unable to find this feature, what else you can do is you can install a third-party application. For that, you need to go to your Play Store. On the search box, type in Truecaller. Now this particular application helps you identify the spam calls, and it will also help you to stop spam calls on Android. In this way, you can stop spam calls on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.